It was Friday night, and it was raining. Every Friday, Emma and I meet for dinner. It's our little tradition. We talk about our week and eat good food. I got to the restaurant early. I took our favorite table by the window. I like this place. It's small and warm, and the lights are soft and yellow. The waiter came and gave me the menu. "Just water for now," I said. "My friend is coming." Then I looked at the door and waited. Emma is always a little late. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. That's normal for her. Last month, she was late because she lost her keys. So I wasn't worried at all. I looked at my phone. It was 7 o'clock. She'll be here soon, I thought. The rain got heavier. Outside, people ran past the window with their umbrellas. I drank some water and waited. 10 minutes passed. Then 20 minutes passed. Still no Emma. I sent her a message. "Where are you?" But there was no answer. I called her. The phone rang and rang, but she didn't pick up. Now I was a little annoyed. The waiter came back. "Are you ready to order?" he asked. "Not yet," I said. "I'm still waiting." I felt a little embarrassed. The table next to me was full of happy people. They were eating and laughing together. And I was alone, with only a glass of water. I even ate all the free bread on the table. 30 minutes late. Then 40. I was really annoyed now. This is too much, I said to myself. For one moment, I felt worried. What if something bad happened to her? But then the annoyance came back. I thought about going home. I put on my jacket. I was ready to leave. Then the door opened. Emma ran in. Her hair was wet from the rain. Her face was red, and she was out of breath. "I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry," she said. I looked at her. I wanted to be angry. "Emma, I waited for 40 minutes. I said. I know, she said. "Please, let me explain." She sat down and took a deep breath. "On my way here, I saw Mr. Lee," she said. "Mr. Lee is our old neighbor. He lives alone on our street. He was standing at the bus stop. In the rain," Emma said. "He looked lost and afraid. My anger started to go away. He didn't know where he was," she said. "He had no umbrella, and he was cold and wet. I couldn't just leave him there. So she stayed with him. She shared her umbrella. She walked him all the way home. It was far, and the rain was cold. She made him a hot cup of tea. And she waited until he felt safe and calm. I didn't feel angry anymore. I felt something else. I felt proud of her." "You did the right thing," I said softly. Emma smiled. "Thank you for waiting," she said. "Always," I said. The waiter came back one more time. This time, we were ready. We ordered hot soup and warm bread. We talked and laughed for a long time. Now the rain outside didn't matter. The cold didn't matter. Before we went home, Emma made a plan. "Let's visit Mr. Lee on Sunday," she said. "We can bring him some soup." "That's a great idea," I said. That night, I learned something simple. Sometimes, being late is not a bad thing. Sometimes, it means someone stopped to help. And a good friend is always worth the wait. Thank you for listening to this story. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to Slow English Listening. A new English story is waiting for you every day. Next time, I'll tell you about the night we missed the last train home. Until then, take care. Bye.